Morning, guys. Woken up in Victoria, British Columbia after spending 2 days here, and got out to the car this morning at the hotel, and my driver's side door didn't present. So I think it's time to get a hold of Tesla service and try booking. So here I am in the ferry lineup, and there's the music of the hold. Your estimated time is 20 minutes. All right, I'll keep you updated. So, update on the update. So last time we saw each other, I was on hold for Tesla service. I did get in contact with them, and they are going to, their Tesla mobile service is actually going to do it. They're going to give me a call, and they haven't done that yet. So hopefully today or tomorrow. They do work Saturdays, so they'll probably come out Monday, I'm thinking. But anyway, this is what it looks like when the well, you know what it looks like when the handles don't pop out. There you go. Everything pops out except for this fella. See, it's very wobbly in there, so I think something's come undone or unhooked, or I don't know. Anyway, the next update on the update of the update will be the mobile Tesla guy coming out and doing it, and I'll be sure to videotape that for Internet Dude. Cheers. All right, so it's not releasing. So this there you go. Look at that. Get in there. Well, there you have it. So one of the crappy things about having your driver's side door handle go, it means you can't get in and out. Well, you can get out, but you can't get in. So what I've strung up here is an emergency door release system, and it has its own pocket there. There's a link in the description of where to get this stuff, the patented door release system. So today is Saturday. Yesterday morning I was in Victoria, and I noticed that the door was not presenting, or the door handle was not presenting, and I was told that the service would either phone me yesterday, Friday, or today, being Saturday. It's kind of the end of business Saturday now, so I'm going to assume that they won't phone today, and that they'll phone Monday to set up an appointment. And when they do phone me on Monday, I will ask they expedite it, because there's only so much patience I have with this emergency release system, patented. I think I'll patent it. And you know, a strange thing you can hear, I don't know if you can hear it because of, you know, we're in the city, but there's, you know, motors and cogs grinding here somewhere. They're gonna replace it, so it doesn't matter if it burns a thing out or whatever. Anyway, Saturday, end of day. Let's see what Monday brings. Cheers. Well, I just got off the phone with Mobile Tesla, and they will be here on Friday at 1 o'clock. Right now it's Tuesday, no call on Monday. Getting very sort of Tesla entitled, upset that they didn't call, but then I sort of went, don't care. I'm still using the patented Tesla release system to get in. The only thing I'm worried about is that one day this will be hanging out a little bit, and I'll close the door, and I won't be able to open it. I have to go in through the passenger side. Anyway, so I will be sure to film the tech doing his business on Friday at 1 o'clock. Join me then. Well, there you have it, guys. The tech came over. He wouldn't allow me to film anything. However, he said pictures were okay, hence the reason why the number of pictures you just saw. So he had to replace the whole thing, and I guess there's a Gen 1 and a Gen 2 of the door handles, and my Gen 1 was susceptible to a little metal piece breaking or coming dislodged, and the Gen 2, that was fixed. So yeah, it works fine now. It's a different kind of touch. Before it used to, when you pulled on it, you gave a little bit of a tug. Now it's a little smoother. It's just sort of one motion. It's not, before it was sort of pull, unlock, and now it's just one motion, and it seems to, so it's awesome. So there you go. I had to wait 1 week for it to happen. That's for you, internet dude. And this is now the 4th time that Tesla has come to my front door to fix minor issues. Anyway, there you go. Enjoy. Cheers. Bye.